Hi everyone, our lovely parents are doing their best. This is almost so great to us. They are helping us harvesting our corns on card lands, and we are so grateful to them. And we really appreciate them today for the great work they are doing. And may God bless them. May God bless their kids. There. Pastor Samuel, hi. Yeah, he is also helping, so grateful. We have Philip. Hi, Mom. We are so grateful today. We have our parents and some of our members in church. Today, we are so grateful. We are planting the maize, and they have taken their time the whole day to be with us to do this great activity today. And may God bless them. And our plan has been successful. God bless you. Bye. Wow. Our ladies are taking the maize in the church. This is really a teamwork. Teamwork. We are so blessed to have them.